Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we'll be looking at the DXJJ portable washing machine with a 13L capacity and the GZJ portable washing machine with a 15L capacity. Both of these compact washers are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorms, and even while traveling. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the GZJ portable washing machine takes the lead with a 15-liter capacity, allowing you to wash more items in one go. In contrast, the DXJJ model has a 13-liter capacity, which is still suitable for small loads, but may require more frequent washing sessions for larger families or those with more laundry needs. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry efficiency. In terms of pricing, the DXJJ portable washing machine is the more budget-friendly option at $50, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save money. On the other hand, the GZJ model is priced at $59, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget and laundry needs, this price difference may influence your decision. Another important factor to consider is the voltage. The DXJJ portable washing machine operates at 12 volts, which may be more suitable for use in RVs or while camping. In contrast, the GZJ model operates at 110 volts, making it more compatible with standard household outlets. This difference could affect where and how you use each machine. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and GZJ portable washing machines offer unique advantages. The DXJJ is a more affordable option with a slightly smaller capacity, while the GZJ provides a larger capacity and is designed for standard household use. Consider your specific laundry needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.